Hello, I'm Don Rigby with Sequin Performance Products. Today we're going to discuss the Bargman 90-degree 7-way molded cable wire harness. This harness is for the vehicle owner who wants to move his 7-way hookup from behind the rear bumper to the truck bed to allow easier access when towing his gooseneck or fifth wheel trailer. The 90-degree connector mounts the inside wall of the truck bed. The patented mounting bracket permits the adapter to be used on any model pickup while preventing interference with the outside wall that may cause connector to pinch. The 9-foot version is for installation anywhere along the inside wall of the truck bed. The 7-foot version is specifically designed for near or behind the rear wheels. The mounting spacer block and hardware provided allow for easy installation. Thank you for your time. Happy towing.